In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set no path on GoHighLevel. By the end, your bare domain, without anything after the slash, will open exactly where you want, like a funnel step, website homepage, store, blog, or webinar. First, open your GoHighLevel account and head to the location you want to work in. Look to the bottom left corner and open Settings. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Domains and URL Redirects. That's where you manage the domain itself and the rules that control how visitors are routed. Open the Domains area. Here you can take care of the domain you'll use. If you don't have one yet, you can purchase a new domain right inside the platform. If you already own one somewhere else, choose the option to transfer it in. Or if you prefer to keep it with your current registrar, you can simply connect a domain you already own. When you connect, you'll be asked where you want that domain to point in GoHighLevel. Pick the property that fits your setup: funnel, website, store, blog, or webinar. You'll also see separate options for email and for WordPress if those are part of your stack. Choose only what you actually use. You can always adjust later. With your domain connected, switch to the URL Redirects tab. Click Add a Redirect to create the rule that sets no path. In the Redirect from field, select the root of your domain. This represents visiting the domain with nothing after it. In many accounts, that's as simple as using a single /. If your interface indicates the root another way, follow that prompt. The idea is that you're capturing visits to the base domain. Next, in the redirect to field, paste the full destination URL where you want people to land. This can be a funnel step URL, your website's homepage, your storefront, blog home, or a specific webinar page. Include the full protocol like HTTPS to avoid any ambiguity. A quick best practice: don't redirect the domain to itself, and avoid creating loops, for example, pointing the root to a path that already redirects back to the root. When everything looks right, click Add Redirect to save. From now on, any visitor who types your domain with no path will be sent straight to the destination you chose. If you recently connected or updated DNS, allow a little time for changes to propagate. That's all there is to setting no path on GoHighLevel. Clean, professional, and exactly where you want your traffic to go.